Can one tiny switch really make a big difference? You're about to find out.
We've all been there, right? That flicker, then pop. Another bulb bites the dust.
See, those old bulbs are basically tiny, inefficient heaters that just happen to glow.
But there's a brilliant solution that's totally changed the game. Let's take a look.
And that solution is the LED. It's not just a new bulb, it's a lighting revolution.
And they're just everywhere now, right? From your desk lamp to stadium lights, super versatile.
Okay, first up, their lifespan. And honestly, this is a total game changer.
Just think about it. 1 year for an old bulb versus decades for an LED. No more ladders. So how do they do it? Well, LEDs are way more efficient. They aim light right where you need it.
Yeah, check this out. Up to 85% of the energy becomes actual light, not just wasted heat.
And that efficiency? It means huge savings on your energy bill. We're talking 30 to 90%. Okay, so what does this all mean for you in the real world? Let's break it down.
For big spaces like warehouses, it means bright, reliable light that costs way less to run. And for all of us, it means safer streets and brighter public spaces after dark.
And at home, you get all these cool, creative ways to make your space look amazing.
So when you put them side by side, yeah, it's not even a contest. The difference is huge.
Here's the best part. This is one of the few upgrades that actually pays for itself, and fast.
So if you remember one thing, it's this. LEDs save energy, they save time, and they save you money.
It really makes you think, right? What other simple energy upgrades are we missing out on?
For more easy explainers on the energy that powers our world, make sure you subscribe.